Good morning, guys. I know you really can't see me. It's SuperBassMan here. It's 4:30 in the morning. We're heading to Fairfax to the cave to meet my buddy Adam. You guys know him as Basshead. So see you guys in about an hour. Hey, what's going on, guys? We just got here at the canoe place. I'm here with Adam.
Hey!
And we just signed our waivers. And there's the water. You can't really see it. But yeah, we're just getting our stuff all set up. And it's like 7:30 now. So the canoe is coming around and we'll get loaded in here shortly. Stay tuned. So we're all suited up, ready to go. Waiting for the truck to pick us up and take us down to the shore with the canoes. So I'm just standing here waiting to get into Shenandoah. Alright, so we're here at the landing, about to get in the water here. Try to take you guys down here. There's a bunch of people. Beautiful. Alright guys, we are out here. It is beautiful. I'll show you this view before I throw out here. Absolutely. Got Adam back there. He's already fishing. So I'm going to be throwing a topwater spook first and we'll see what we can do. Alright guys, we're getting off just shortly here. Little bend in the river. We're going to wade out. So I got my waders on and we're going to see if we can. We saw a few big largemouth and maybe a big smallmouth here right at the bend. So Adam's just going to wade out. I got my waders on and we'll see about some action. Alright guys, so we're still pulled off here, and I got a nice little smallie here. He's small, but he is the biggest thing we've caught today, so probably about, I don't know, quarter of a pound, maybe half a pound. Beautiful fish though, really, really nice. So we're fishing out below these rapids here, and we got a bunch of fly fishermen here. Alright guys, I just caught this nice smallie. This is definitely the biggest of the day. I caught it on a Rapala. It's the same size as the spawn that we've seen in the river and the same color. So we're casting below rocks in the rapids and in the swirls. Typical river fishing. Caught this nice one. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so we're out here killing it. We're taking pictures, video. I wish I had my GoPro. I'm almost catching a fish every cast because of this man right here doing all the work in the back. all I'm doing is catching fish. All he's doing is rowing. I feel bad. Nah, he's gonna catch some soon. I promise. He's caught a couple already. Don't get me wrong, but none this size. He's in a little bit of a slump. He's got the same thing I got tied on right now. We're doing really good. Having fun. Look at this man. Nice smallie here. Beautiful smallie, caught the jump. Nice fish, man. Get it in, come on. What do you need me to do? You got him? Look at this guy. He can't be happier right now. Look at that. Look at that smallie. What a nice fish. Ooh. Come on, Adam. Come on. Boat flip him in here before you lose him.
Open your mouth.
There we go. That's a 2. That's a 2 right there. Look at that smile.
That's what it's all about.
I knew we would catch him a fish. Adam Basshead and the SuperBassMan conquering the Shenandoah. All right, guys, we'll check back in. All right, again, really nice one. This might be the best of the day. It's definitely a tie between Adam's big one that we caught the fight of, and this bad boy right here. He is pretty smallmouth, but still big mouth on him. Really, really nice. Probably 1.5 pounds, maybe 2 pounds. Super good fight. We're stuck up here in the rapids. I caught him back there. We fought him down the rapids all the way around, and then I reeled him in right here. Beautiful smallie. Beautiful day. All right. It's been about, I'd say, almost an hour, but we just doubled up. What are you using, Adam?
A little Rapala still.
So he's got the Rapala on, and I just got this little guy. Not too bad. And I'm using a wacky rig Senko. All right, guys, so we're checking in again. It's been probably 20 minutes. We have a long ways to go down the river. Adam and I are still catching some nice smallie. Some small smallie, some medium-sized smallie, and a few large smallie. I think I got Adam by maybe 1/10 of a pound, if not, if if anything, we might be tied. It's not that it's a competition. It's just, you know, see who can catch the biggest fish. But having a great time. The view is wonderful. Still using a Senko wacky rig. I decided to cut it down a little bit just because of the size of fish we were catching. A little more palatable for them. Trying to see, yeah, it's probably about, cut it down to about 4 inches. So that's what I'm still using, and probably will still use until later on this evening. Get a little bit cloud cover. All right, we got another nice one on the Senko. Wacky rigged. Really good fight. I'm gonna try to get some video footage of these fights for you guys. Super nice fish. Adam can't cast.
I can.
Alright, so we're down here in a real quiet part. We got about 3 miles left. What time did you say it was, Adam?
It is 5:22.
It's 5:22. Got to be off the water in 2 hours, and we got 3 miles left. Oh, 1 hour?
6:30, yeah.
All right, we got to be off in 1 hour. So we got some paddling to do. So this is what we're dealing with right now. It's probably 6 foot deep. Real clear, you can see the bottom. A lot of shelves. But we're just running out of time, so packing it in. Alright guys, that concludes our trip. We are coming up on the end here. Right over there. Over the dock.
Need to take a break. Take a break.
Woo! Got a bunch of good footage. Caught a bunch of nice fish. Couldn't ask for better.